it's time to be engaged and evolve and embrace all the challenges to make the biologics making the bigger impact for the patients. I would say the key drivers to make all those changes are two. One is the demand of the biologics it's changed. And then also the new modalities. And this to the industry level will push the biomanufacturing really looking at much more robustness and agile and much more flexible manufacturing scheme. And that's not the same as 5 years ago. And then at the same time, it pushed the regulatory landscape change to have different kind of approval pathway. So that makes us to think about the biomanufacturing differently. The other thing at the industry level is at the digitalization, because the data becomes so important. So forces really have to move to the industry 4.0 level to get more data. Overall, for the 5 years, I would say the whole ecosystem changed a lot for biotech. This actually have the impact also bringing the biotech and actually a lot of time, the biomanufacturing to the front stage. As particularly look at now the COVID-19 situation, everybody's talking about biomanufacturing. I'm so sure for most of people in this industry wouldn't see this 5 years ago. And it's become really at the front stage and much more driving the whole ecosystem to push biotech and also biomanufacturing to the front line to embrace the change and making more difference compared to 5 years ago. Given the current circumstance, this is good because then it's better not having it, right? Because sometimes I'm wondering maybe it's just not as effective as it should be. But I must say for this particular summit, not just my talk, and I'm thinking certain colleagues, at least I can see their talk, better than skip a year and not having it happen. So overall, I think it's good for us to kind of thinking about this alternative format to make things happen.